Powerful cold heading machines precisely cut the metal wire. Extreme pressure then shapes the material, forming the... Each screw is carefully shaped and polished to ensure perfect fit and durability.
Every screw is tested for strength, size accuracy, and quality before leaving the factory.
That's how screws are made, a puck head. From simple steel wire to essential tools used everywhere.